In this video, I am going to show you guys the best way. So if you are really interested in changing your life and you want to make money, then this video is for you. The only thing I ask you guys to do is to watch this video till the end, and I want you guys to do what I am going to teach you in this video. Because if you don't do the exact same thing that I am going to tell you guys in this video, trust me, like it's not going to happen, okay? Like you have to do something to get something. Now give me your attention, guys. Give me 10 minutes or 8 minutes of your time, and I believe this video will change your life, okay? Now you clicked on this video because you want to make money copying and pasting, and you start making money. Trust me, yes, the title is not clickbait, by the way, which I am going to show you guys how you can do that and how to make $2,000 every single week by literally copying and pasting. But there is more to it, okay? There is some work to it, because if it was that easy, then everyone will do it, okay? Like everyone will do it. If you just keep watching this kind of videos about how to make money, watching videos how to make money, copy and pasting, and you go to that website, and some YouTubers, they are just trying to promote a website, and then you go and then you sign up for that website and they don't pay you, and you are wondering, okay, this is scam. And this is because the reason why I'm making guys these videos, because I know how it feels when you want to make money. You just want to make money online, but you don't know where to start. Like everyone is saying different things, everyone is trying to sell you something. Now this video, guys, will help you 100%, okay? Now the business that I'm about to show you guys right now is dropshipping. No, you don't need money, guys, to start this business, okay? Now this business worked for me. I can just make a video showing you guys some fake website, how to sign up, stuff like that. But I'm not really that kind of person who can do that. I really want to show you guys a legit business that you can start right now and you can start making money. So this is what I want guys to show you. I want you guys to win, okay? Now you have to do this, okay? Now I'm going to explain to you guys how this business works. Now what I mean, guys, first, like, open an account on eBay. If you don't have it, open an account on eBay. And the second thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to AliExpress and open an account, okay? Now this is a business that will make you money, okay? 100%, because this is a real business, not some bullshit, you know, make money watching videos, okay? This is a real business that will work for you. It's called dropshipping. So you may be wondering, what is dropshipping, okay? Let me show you guys what is dropshipping. Now dropshipping is, for example, like I said, create an account on AliExpress and on eBay. Dropshipping is taking products from another supplier, for example AliExpress or Amazon or Walmart. These products, you take them, you download them, you copy the title, you copy the description, you copy everything, and you list the same thing with the same pictures, with the same everything. You paste them on your eBay. After you open your eBay account, you want to click on sell in the top right, as you can see. And then what you need to do, guys, you want to click on list an item. So instead of listing the item that you have on your house, you list an item that you don't even own. So when someone buys the product from you on eBay, you will see their address, and you go to AliExpress, and then you find the exact item, and then you send the item directly to your customer. Now I know, guys, this is going to be a little bit complicated for you, okay? So let's just search for what is dropshipping. Maybe they can explain it to you better than me, because really I don't really know how to explain this the easiest way, okay? Now let's just ask ChatGPT, okay? Let's just ask ChatGPT, as you can see here. What is dropshipping, okay? Now just give me your attention, guys, okay? This is what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the store doesn't keep the products it sells in the stock. Instead, when store sells a product, it purchases the item for third-party supplier, okay? usually manufactured and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller never physically handles the product. The seller also doesn't have to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. Instead, they earn a profit by charging a higher price than what they paid the supplier for the product. Okay, now I hope, guys, this explains this. Now you take the process, you download the pictures and you start listing the product on eBay. Now you might say, okay, I need to know all the answers before I start this business. Trust me, when I first started this business, I only knew how to copy the title, how to copy the description, as you can see, and how to list on eBay. Tell us what you are selling. Copy the title, as you can see, this title. Go to eBay, list this title. So if someone buys the product from you, then at that moment you then go to, if you don't know how to list, by the way, I am going to show you how you can do that. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Now this business is very easy, guys. I want you to start this business. Even if you don't understand anything in this video, search for dropshipping on eBay. I want you guys to do this, okay? Focus on a business, on a real business. Like making money easily is not, it's not going to happen, because if it was easy, everyone will do it. Okay, this is going to take a little bit of work. Of course, this is not hard. It's easy. It's a very simple business that you can start right now. Now, I am going to show you guys how you can start listing from AliExpress to eBay. How to find products, what products you should do, how to handle returns. Okay, if someone doesn't like the product, what you should do. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, if you can, drop a like on this video so that this video will be shown to a lot of people so that they can learn this business. And the second thing, you want to click the video in the screen. I showed you guys every single thing about how to start eBay dropshipping, okay, which is the business that I'm showing you right now. Click the video, and that video will explain to you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start this business, okay? So yeah, hopefully, guys, this video is valuable to you. So see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.